If Slack isn't working properly, you might see messages not loading, login problems, or the app just freezing. Yeah, this can happen because of network issues, outdated software, or temporary server problems. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several simple fixes that usually solve the issue. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Slack relies on a stable internet connection to send and receive messages in real time. Try opening a website in your browser just to confirm that your network is active. Next, try restarting the Slack app. Temporary glitches in the application can sometimes prevent messages or channels from loading correctly. If the issue continues, clearing Slack's cache can help. Cached data can occasionally become corrupted and cause loading problems. Running an outdated version of Slack can also lead to bugs or connection issues. Checking for updates ensures you're using the latest version with the newest fixes. If Slack still isn't working, the problem might be on their side. Occasionally, Slack servers experience outages that prevent users from sending messages or logging in. And if nothing else works, try reinstalling the Slack app. A fresh installation can fix corrupted files or configuration issues. And that's it. One of these quick fixes usually gets Slack working again in just a few minutes. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.